Hello everyone, so today I will share how to make this Valentine text effect in Canva and how to change it into different types of backgrounds and different types of text color in it. So let's start with it. So I have chosen YouTube thumbnail as my canvas. You can choose any type of rectangular frame you want. So after that I will go to text here, click on add a heading, and here I will write Valentine. And after that I will change the font to all-rounder. Okay, and after that I will just make it bigger. Let's try 144, which is the highest one, and just middle it. And after that I will change the text color to red, as it is a Valentine theme, so I will change it to red color. And after that click on add a subheading and here write vibes. Okay, and change it to the same color of this Valentine shade, which is red one. Let's do it another time. Okay, and after that go to effects and select this one. Make sure you just decrease the roundness and also the spread, and just change it to white color. Okay, and after that change the size to 17 or 18. Okay, so I will just rotate it. Let's find it here, the angle. So 66 degrees looks good. Okay, and after that I will just bring it here and I will rotate it to 0 degrees now. Okay, and I will just bring it here, and here I will write affection. Okay, and I will just bring it here slightly down like this, and now I will just rotate it to 90 degrees. Okay, and I will write here love. Okay, and after that, and for this I will just increase the effects part, and I will just increase the spread a bit. Okay, and after that I will just duplicate it and bring it here, and I will write emotions. So let's make it in the same line. Okay, and place it right here. Okay, and after that here I will bring it again and I will just rotate it and check which angle looks good. So this one is looking good, but we need to work on the effects. So just decrease the spread, and after that just bring it here. I will just write here needed, and after that I will use this one again because I want it in a straight line now. So for this I will just write here together. Rotate it. Here I will write infinity. And just middle it, and again for this one I will write here never, and another time I will duplicate. Here I will write apart. So the word looks like never apart. Okay, and now for this one I will just write it here eternity. So now I will just remove this T ends of the T. Okay, after that I will just click on R to activate a rectangle, and I will just click on this white color, and I will just bring it here, and I will just cover this together part. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, now when this is done, now change the color of background to white. And I will just click on share, click on download, and make sure it is in PNG, and click on download. Okay, now I will click on add page and just re-upload the design which I just created, and after that I will just make it to the same size as the canvas, and after that click on beige remover. So as you can see, the background is removed. Let's try some different color here. So let's try something in yellow. So it works fine. Let's try something in gradient color. So like try something in yellow gradient background, and click on graphics and click on see all, and let's try something in this one. Right click it and replace background, and it's working fine here also. And now let's try something in red. So let's try here red gradient background, and let's click on replace background again. But as you can see, it is blending, so I will change the color to white. So as you can see, this part is not working with this type of change, so I will just undo it, and after that I will go to edit here, and after that scroll here in effects, find duotone and change it to the desired color. So I want pure white color, so I will change it to white color, and as you can see, it looks really well here. So you can try this. Okay, so hope you learned something out of it, and please subscribe to the channel for more effects and amazing designs like this. Thank you.